Okay, so we have here today with us the All India girl topper with a 99.99 scores percentile in CAT 2012. So Shruti, how does it feel to have cracked CAT with a perfect score?
I'm relieved to say the truth. To be honest, the excitement, it hasn't all sunk in yet. So it's just relief. Like finally my efforts have come to fruit. So I'm excited as well.
You must be feeling on the top of the world today, right?
Not exactly.
Okay, in short, I would like to say that she is the girl who made Odisha proud today. Okay, so moving on to the next question, what are your secrets of your success?
I think perseverance. That
Okay.
is my secret. And I utilize time. I work in spaces. I read when I'm in the bus or even when I'm walking. So I utilize whatever time is available for me. So I think that was what worked for me basically. I think my effort.
Okay. So and then Shruti, there are many more students who are who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming years. So what would be your advice to them? Like there are also a lot of your juniors who are aspirants for 2013 CAT. So what would you like to give them as a piece of advice?
I think you should just work hard. Give out your 100%. Don't worry for the fruits because I think one day you definitely get everything that you want, everything that you desire, everything that you worked for.
And then what are your plans for your future now?
Okay, because I work in steps, so till now my plan was on cracking CAT, and the next is of course of clearing the process of GD, PI and everything. And I dream of actually belonging to the corporate world.
Okay.
I like solving problems. That was what got me attracted to CAT in the first place. So that's what I want to do for the rest of my life, solve problems.
Okay. And any other basic reason, like why did you choose management instead of going for MTech or MS? Why did you specifically go for management? Any other reason besides the fact that you like to solve puzzles and you like to solve problems? Any other basic, basic thing which drove you towards management?
I think management is the best of all worlds. It's everything that you want to be, it's everything that you desire to be, and so basically I think every student must have a dream of making it big, and management is basically it's all about making big.
Okay.
It's all about big ideas and big solutions. So it's very exciting. It's challenging.
Okay. So that was all. We had a word with Shruti Panda. We wish her all the best for her future ahead. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.